Thank you for filling out your prescription generator. My name is Chris. I'm a physiotherapist with 23 years experience of treating lower back pain and the developer of BackFit Toolkit. The BackFit Toolkit is a logical step-by-step process that has been carefully designed and tested to provide you with the knowledge, understanding and tools to control your back pain through self-management at home. We as clinicians only get to see you for a fraction of the time. You get to see yourself all the time. You are the best person to hold and apply this knowledge. The prescription generator gives us a percentage that represents the likelihood of specific problems being present. You will have realised that we only focus on 4 causes of back pain: sacroiliac joints, facet joints, ligaments and discs. These are the most common issues that I see as a physio in clinic. When it comes to mechanical back pain where muscle weakness or misalignment is happening, these problems are highly likely to be present. We know certain exercises work best for specific problems. The answers you've provided allow us to be more targeted with our exercises, increasing the chances of success. Knowledge, alignment, strengthening, tissue massage and manipulation are the 5 key components that make the difference to my back pain patients in clinic. The BackFit Toolkit is designed to allow you to do much of this at home so you can take care of yourself. So that's all for now. In the next email that we'll send you, we'll dig deeper into your back pain. This will help us further refine the rehab exercises and tailor them more specifically to your capabilities and needs. This provides you with an enhanced rehab program. This will appear in your inbox tomorrow. Follow the link below. You will gain a better knowledge about your back pain and self-management by having a scan through the homepage of this website. You'll find information on how preventing pelvic motion dysfunction, commonly known as pelvic misalignment, treats the reasons why your back pain keeps returning back in episodes. Gain knowledge, gain control. I'll see you later.